Richard, every time bumabiyahe tayo dito, ang init at pagtanggap ng mga tao sa Dumaguete.
Oo naman, kaya naman talagang paboritong puntahan ng PBA into Dumaguete City. At every time nagpupunta naman dito ang PBA, talaga naman tuwang-tuwa ang mga tao dito sa Dumaguete.
So right now, it's Vic Pablo on the line para dito sa Talk and Text Phone Pals. Scoring the first basket plus a bonus charity dito sa ating opening quarter.
You know, if you would notice dito sa Red Bull, they're starting small, no, in their lineup. Actually, itong si Rich Alvarez will be playing the 4 position. At hindi po nagsa-start dito si Enrico Villanueva. So, siguro isa pa rin sa mga tactic yan nitong si Coach Yang Giao to make Rico focus more on his game. Yun nga yung sinasabi niya in the last ball game. Kaya raw niya hindi masyadong hindi ginamit si Rico in the last ball game dahil medyo nagkukulang na raw sa focus.
Samantala, before Richard started speaking, nag-3-pointer po. Itong si Mick Penisi, TM3 yan. At it's atin ng TM, power to the people, Jimmy Alapag. Trying to get away from the defense, binigay kay Asi Taulava. Perimeter shot by Asi is short, pero nakuha ni Jimmy Alapag ang offensive rebound.
Alam mo, itong pinag-uusapan ng Red Bull nung sa mga interviews natin sa kanila, rebounding raw problema. So, early on, nagkaroon pa ng offensive rebound itong si Jimmy Alapag.
Alam mo, Richard, the way Talk and Text is firing everywhere ngayon sa umpisa ng ating first quarter, mukhang nagpe-pay off yung dalawang sunod-sunod na araw na practice nila.
Oo, napanood naman natin yung practice ng Talk and Text at ang Red Bull. Talagang they spent a lot of time sa doing some shooting drills lang para nga magamay etong court dito sa Lamberto Macia Sports and Cultural Center.
Samantala, yung inside attempt para kay Asi Taulava was blocked by Cyrus Baguio. Pero mananatili sa panig ng Talk and Text Phone Pals ang possession. Game is deadlocked at 5-all. Asi Taulava. Medyo masikip sa ilalim. Binigay kay Harvey Carey. Still nothing for the Phone Pals.
Good block there by Mick Penisi. Ito, tumatakbo ng Red Bull.
Inside pass para kay Lordy Tugade. Munti ka na mawala but he was still there. Keep control of the ball and 2-pointer from deep inside para kay Lordy.
Yeah, crucial for Talk and Text to come back in their transition defense dahil Red Bull loves to run at any given opportunity.
Harvey Carey challenging Rich Alvarez. At offensive foul ang itatawag dito against Harvey Carey.
Yun na nga, offensive foul Pero itong Talk and Text, they like that matchup, no? Rich Alvarez guarding Harvey Carey. Kaya pinuntahan nila itong si Harvey Carey sa poste kagad. Although medyo nag-backfire nga for them as he was called for an offensive foul.
2-point lead for Red Bull. Exactly 10 minutes remaining sa ating opening quarter. Mick Penisi pinalik kay Cyrus Baguio. Red Bull moving the ball around. Ito ngayon si Lordy Tugade. Bago makatira si Lordy, makikitang foul ang ating referees. Vic Pablo is guilty of that foul. First personal para kay Vic Pablo.
Oh, yun ang magiging problema ni Vic Pablo against Lordy Tugade. No? How to keep in step with him laterally. Maganda na yung close-out niyang ginawa niya doon against Lordy Tugade para hindi makatira ng 3 points.
Cyrus Baguio, medyo umibabaw sa board yung tira niya na yun. But the putback will finally go in para kay Cyrus Baguio.
Yun na nga, itong Talk and Text, I think they were anticipating na maging out of bounds yung tawag doon. Pero walang tinawag. Kaya nakakuha ulit ng Red Bull yung bola.
Lakmak Cardona. Binigay muna sa kamay ni Harvey Carey. Asi Taulava will try a left side shot. Wala pa rin, pero nakuha nila ang offensive rebound. 4 ang kalamangan ng Red Bull, 9-5. Alapag inside to Asi. The rock will miss, pero yung putback ni Harvey Carey is there for Talk and Text.
Alam mo yan ang dyan nakakuha ng puntos itong si Harvey Carey. No? They don't have any place designed for him. Pero yung mga offensive rebounds and putbacks, dyan ang gagaling ang puntos itong si Harvey Carey.
Pero nakita nyo naman doon, mga kaibigan, kung gaano kabilis itong si Topex Robinson slicing through the defense mo, hindi ka pa pumasok yung tira niya.
Yun na nga, itong Red Bull early on, alam mo nang gusto nilang gawin. Talaga they want to run, they want to speed up the tempo of this ball game to get some easy points in transition. Dahil nga medyo nag-dip yung kanilang scoring, no, in their last 2 losses. Yun ang kanilang concern. But if you can get points of transition, tataas yan sa average nyo.
Topex Robinson making his first charity. Ito si Coach Yang Giao of Red Bull. One more para kay Topex. He misses the second. So, dalawa pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Red Bull. Jimmy Alapag over to Vic Pablo. Taulava challenging the double team. Has to kick it out. Nagiging Alapag. 8 seconds on their shot clock. Jimmy Alapag slices. Ball away na abutan ni Rich Alvarez. Scramble palabas. Kung nahawakan dito ng ni Topex Robinson.
That's right, pero may 4 seconds na lang remaining sa shot clock nitong Talk and Text. Let's see what they do here.
Vic Pablo has to throw this one up from the right side. Pintis yung tira ni Vic Pablo, pero rebound ni Mac Cardona. And the early goings, Richard, nakikita natin parang mas gigil itong Talk and Text full house to play. They're everywhere, especially sa rebounding.
That's right, dahil ito na ang problema ng Red Bull. They know that the rebounding is one of their problems, pero dito sa first quarter, nagbigay na kagad sila ng 3 offensive rebounds.
Jimmy Alapag nakakuha ng puwang, pero mintis yung layup niya against Mick Penisi. Ito nga ng Red Bull. Topex Robinson. Nawala sa kanyang kamay ang bola. And it will be a turnover.
Loose ball foul. Natawag against Topex Robinson.
Una lang yan ni Topex in the ball game. And still a 3-point lead for Red Bull.
You know, pwede natin expect dito sa ball game na to, no? Mabilis ang magiging palitan ng tao because of the humidity in this arena. Kaya, siyempre, you would try to preserve the strength of your players. So, it's important that people that are coming off the bench ay talaga mag-sustain yung nilalaro ng starting unit.
Inside pass intended for Vic Pablo. Intercepted. Ito ngayon ng Red Bull. Nordy Tugade leading the charge. Tugade sidestep. Hacked hard by Jimmy Alapag.
Oh, Jimmy Alapag refusing to give up a layup dito sa Talk and Text sa Red Bulls at para mapigilan yung kanilang transition. Pero itong Talk and Text so far struggling with the double teaming defense of Red Bull. So every time Asi Taulava gets the ball sa poste, meron na kagad quick double team coming from Red Bull. So the guys that are free, sigurado kasi may isang malilibre dyan, should make himself available. So unang free throw ni Lordy Tugade, pumasok. And yun po ang Red Bull Barako on your screens.
One more for Lordy. And that second one will go out para kay Tugade. Apat ang pinangahawakan dito ng Red Bull. Mac Cardona to Harvey Carey. Bangga kay against Rich Alvarez.
Wow, and that's a second offensive foul na itatawag dito kay Harvey Carey.
Dipping his shoulder a bit.
Sure na nandun siya sa labas ng no-charge zone. Kaya natawagan ng offensive foul itong si Harvey Carey.
Burst of speed by Cyrus Baguio. That's 2 points for Red Bull. But they're taking charge here in the first quarter. Red Bull, we all know, masarap tingnan talaga kung big man na tumetres. And yan po ang mga fans natin inside the Lamberto Macias Sports and Cultural Complex. I'm still looking for the Dumaguete chapter ng fans club ni Richard Del Rosario. Wala pa yata dito.
Sabi ko mag-low profile muna sila dyan. Mamaya susulpot na yung mga yan.
Mamaya ba?
Ang ganda ng mga posters, no? Talagang makikita mo may effort talaga na ginawa itong mga ating mga kaibigan dito sa Dumaguete City to show their support to their favorite teams and players.
Alam mo, every time we're here, ang dami sumasalubong sa atin, napakainit ang pagtanggap, and that's our field goal situation so far.
So far, itong offense ng Red Bull, maganda ang pinakita, kaya napatawag ng early timeout doon si Coach Derek Pumaren.
Ito nga ng Talk and Text phone pals. Taulava, matatapikan, and ball stolen away by Cyrus Baguio. Pasa para kay Topex, pasa ulit kay Cyrus Baguio, who will complete that play. Possible 3-point play coming up para kay Cyrus Baguio.
And itong Red Bull, marami na sila nakuha, no? Si Topex Robinson. And giving it up to Cyrus Baguio is one of the best finishers pagdating sa fast break.
Cyrus Baguio. Red Bull still up 15-7 sa ating opening quarter. Baguio with 6 points so far. Mainit ang umpisa ni Cyrus.
Oo, mainit talaga. At hindi lang naman siya, no? Pati itong defense ng Red Bull is working wonders for them right now. Ngayon, makikita mo may full court pressure pa sila. Pero madaling na-break yan itong Talk and Text phone pals.
Jimmy Alapag ngayon nang may hawak ng bola for the phone pals. Alapag against Topex. Jimmy Alapag goes straight through. Pero magbibintis siya. But once again, Harvey Carey asserting his offense from deep inside for the phone pals.
Automatic na yun kay Harvey Carey. Once merong penetration or the ball goes up, talagang maka-crash yan for the offensive boards.
16-9 in favor of Red Bull. Cyrus Baguio, side step, hop, jump. Wala yung kanyang tira, pero makakuha ni Lordy Tugade galing sa kaliwa. Still nothing. Kaya nagawan sa rebound, mapupunta sa kamay ni Jimmy Alapag. Harvey Carey, pasa pala kay Asi Taulava, slamming it home emphatically. Tomahawk slam from the rock. Asi Taulava. And mukhang doon sa tira na yun, gigising na itong Talk and Text phone pals.
Oh, to see Harvey Carey doing a lot of things for the Talk and Text phone pals. Hindi mga offensive rebounds, pero nice assist coming from Harvey Carey.
Rich Alvarez, hiningi yung bola sa loob. Hook shot for Rich Alvarez is no-go. Loose ball scramble, umabot na kung saan-saan. Nakawala si Vic Pablo, who will finish it for the Talk and Text phone pals. Straight place for Talk and Text. Richard, sinabi ko nga, gumising na.
Tama yan, no? It took one timeout from Coach Derek Pumaren to really wake up itong Talk and Text phone pals. At swerte doon si Vic Pablo, agawan ng bola, biglang bumaksak sa kamay niya.
Topex Robinson, munti ka na matapa. Inigot muna kay Cyrus Baguio. Crossover by Cyrus. Ball almost stolen away. Diving, ito si Lordy Tugade. Matatawagan ng traveling si Lordy Tugade. Babalik sa Talk and Text ang possession.
But you have to applaud the effort na pinakita nitong si Lordy Tugade diving for that loose ball. Kaya nga lang natawagan ng traveling violation.
Still a 3-point lead for Red Bull, pero kumakatok na sa pinto itong Talk and Text phone pals with 5 minutes and 26 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter of play.
At yun, nakita nga natin, sinubstitute muna si Asi Taulava, pumasok si Poch Winyo. Normally yan, no? Sa Manila, hindi kagad yung lalabas yan si Asi Taulava. Kaya nga lang, because of the heat dito, kailangan medyo ma-pace mo yung iyong starting center. Kaya importante yung contributions ng mga guys coming off the bench, katulad nitong si Poch Winyo.
Cyrus Baguio natawagan ng kanyang second personal foul. And it will be a side court throw-in, Richard.
Oo, Mark. Pero if you'll notice, dito sa panig naman ng Red Bull, yan pa rin ang kanilang starting unit dahil maganda nga kanilang simula.
Jimmy Alapag wide open on the right, wala pa rin. Cyrus Baguio may tangan ng bola, binigay kay Mick Penisi from the outside. This time around, Penisi will miss. William Miller over to Poch Winyo. Talk and Text setting up their offense. Winyo against Penisi. Poch banging bodies, pero wala yung kanyang tira. At nag-agawan yung dalawang Red Bull Barako, lalabas tuloy. Babalik ang possession sa Talk and Text.
Ito na, first substitution for Red Bull, si Junti Valenzuela muna ang papasok.
At hindi pa rin natin nakikita si Enrico Villanueva. Jimmy Alapag over to Poch Winyo. Winyo binigay kay Vic Pablo, pasa pala kay Harvey Carey at nakakuyog ng gusto. Etong si Harvey Carey, nonetheless maganda mga passing plays ng Talk and Text dito, Richard.
Yun na nga, doon mo makikita yung value ng extra pass na sinatawag ng mga coaches, no? Every time etong Talk and Text, makikita nila, kala mo they will be going for the basket already, pero merong isang player na better scoring position, nagkakaroon sila ng mga extra passes.
Harvey Carey nasa free throw line para sa Talk and Text, makes his first. Ito mga kaibigan, yung napakagandang slam dunk si Asi Taulava. The slam dunk brought to you by Yakult. Okay ka ba dyan? Towering above everyone else. The Rock. Ito, mukhang talagang mainit dito sa loob ng ating venue. Niyayaluhan na si Asi Taulava.
That's right. No? Ito naman si Harvey Carey, 2 for 2 from the free throw line, already with 6 points.
Samantala, in that incursion, pinamataan ating referee Mar Montiel, Lordy Tugade will be called for the second personal foul.
That's right, no? Offensive foul tinawag dito kay Lordy Tugade. At least that's what you want to see from the referees, no? Inconsistency.
Correct.
Dalawang offensive fouls tinawag against Talk and Text. Ngayon, offensive foul rin ang tinawag dito kay Lordy Tugade.
John Ferriols checks in for the first time para dito sa Talk and Text phone pals as Jimmy Alapag trying to dribble away from Topex Robinson. Jimmy Alapag pa rin, may hawak ng bola. Alapag using the screen, binigay kay John Ferriols, matatapikan. Ball will stay with the phone pals. Eto na, inaabangan ng maraming fans ng Red Bull Barako, Enrico Villanueva and Larry Funasher will check in for the first time in this ball game.
That's right. Enrico will be matched up against Pochuino as Rich Alvarez takes on John Ferriols.
Willie Miller, inanap si Vic Pablo. Pablo posting up, fall away laban kay Larry Fonacier. He will miss. Ito ngayon si Lordi. Junti, pasa kay Topex Robinson, completing the layup for Red Bull.
Another point of transition for Red Bull. Ito, gusto bumawi ng talk and text. Willie Miller with a quick three.
Oh, TM3 galing kay Willie Miller. TM3 yan atin sa atin ng bagong TM, Power to the People. Enrico Villanueva against Pochuino. The spin ni Enrico.
Holding foul ang itatawag dito on Pochuino as he was trying to angle him towards the baseline. No? Tapos yung help nanggagaling from the weak side.
Humihingi ng continuation si Enrico, pero the foul came before the shot. So Larry Fonacier, binigay ulit kay Enrico Villanueva. Game deadlock at 18. Fonacier from the perimeter. Wala. Rebound. Rich Alvarez, natapikan ni Willie Miller. Pihit ni Willie. Tapos muna kay Vic Pablo. Talk and text, setting things up. John Ferriols. Last touch daw ang Red Bull Barako. So si Larry Fonacier sabi, hindi ko nahawakan.
Yun na nga, pero the ball will stay with the talk and text phone pals as Leo Avenido checks in. Papalitan muna niya si Vic Pablo.
Baseline throw in. Nahanap ni Alapag si Willie Miller from the right side. Miller, pasok na naman. Nagiinit. Itong si Willie Miller, long two lang for Thriller Miller.
Why not? Kasi kakahit lang nga niya ng 3-point shot kanina. So you have to go to the guy who's hot. At yung ginawa ni Jimmy Alapag.
Robinson inside to Paulo Bugia. Matatapikan na naman and it's another turnover against Red Bull. Alapag over to Miller. Thinking three, traveling. Medyo atubili si Willie Miller. Titira ko ba o dediretso ko?
Oo nga, he wanted to adjust dahil akala niya magko-close out long.
Yan po nakita natin some of the kids dito po sa Dumaguete City enjoying the beach. And ito naman po ang eksena sa loob ng Lamberto Macias Sports Center dito sa Dumaguete City, kung saan dumagsa ang lahat ng fans ng PBA. Halo-halo po lahat ng tao dito sa loob ng ating venue, young and old, enjoying the games dito sa PBA On Tour. Mark Zambrano po kasama si Richard Del Rosario. And right now, Richard, after a fiery start itong Red Bull, ang ganda ng umpisa nila. 2 puntos na ang kalamangan ng talk and text. Complete turnaround for them.
Yun na nga, after that last timeout or the early timeout by Coach Derek Pumarin, nagkaroon ng kagad ng adjustment itong talk and text phone pals. Nagkaroon sila ng maraming, nagkaroon ng mga points of the offensive rebound nitong si RV Carey. Yan, makikita nyo si Asito Olava on the bench, trying to cool himself down. Maaga nga siyang pinalitan muna, pinagpahinga nito si Coach Derek Pumaran because he's really feeling the heat.
Oo.
Kaya maaga rin nagpunta talaga itong mga players dito sa Dumaguete, no, to try to adjust to the playing conditions here and out of town. Kaya, well, these are professional players, so, you know, you have to play under all conditions.
Alam mo, swerte rin tayo na maaga rin tayo nagpunta dito kasi kahit pa paano, nakakain tayo ng napakasarap na pagkain.
Tama yan,
sa Dumaguete
no?
City.
Oo nga, dahil mo nga kinain kanina
Pasalamatan nga pala natin si team manager ng Talk and Text phone pals, si Frankie Lim and the rest of the coaching staff. Sila nagpakain sa atin ng first few days sa atin dito. Samantala ito, ang ating rebound situation for this quarter.
Yeah, 30-7, lamang ang talk and text. So Red Bull really needs to do a better job boxing out.
Matala ito, the smallest man from Red Bull scoring once again from deep inside, Topex Robinson. Jimmy Alapag ngayon, kumakawala sa depensa. Alapag, pasa para kay John Ferriols. Matatapikan ni Enrico Villanueva.
Very good defensive rotation ang pinakita doon ng Red Bull on that pick and roll play. They wanted itong si Jimmy Alapag to go baseline, tapos pag-roll itong si John Ferriols. Nandun na kagad si Enrico Villanueva on help defense.
Willie Miller, dipsy do shot, aabutan ng Leo Avenido. Hindi mapasok yung kanyang inside stop. Pochuino. Persistency on the side of talk and text. Ang sipag nila sa rebounds.
Yan na nga, ito si Pochuino, one of the veterans nga na kinuha itong si Coach Derek Pumarin. Continuing to battle off the boards against the younger players like itong si Enrico Villanueva and showing everyone na still has what it takes to play here in the PBA.
Pochuino, unang free throw. A bit short para kay Pochuino. Magpapahingain muna si Jimmy Alapag. Mac Cardona checks in for the phone pals.
Ayan na, ito, magkakasabay na sa court itong si Mac Cardona at si Larry Fonashier. So, I'm sure magkakasalubong yan mamaya. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari.
2 misses sa free throw line para kay Pochwinyo, pero si Ferriols controls the board. Isa pa para kay Ferriols, wala pa rin. Red Bull. Warren Ibanez, binigay kay Junti Valenzuela. Junti will miss his 3-pointer. Pero bola buhay pa rin para sa Red Bull.
Yeah, good tap there by Larry Fonashier to keep that ball alive for Red Bull.
Bugia, perimeter shot from 16, wala. Board pulled down by John Ferriols. Hindi pa rin nababasag itong deadlock natin. Leo Avenido against Larry Fonashier. A minute and 40 remaining sa first quarter. Avenido drives hard. And Paolo Bugia will be guilty trying to stop that rebound play ni John Ferriols.
Oh, nobody putting a body dito kay John Ferriols as he crashed the boards for the possible offensive rebound. Yan ang nagiging problema dito ng Red Bull is rebounding. Dami sila masyadong binibigay na second chance opportunities para dito sa Talk and Text phone pass.
John Ferriols, formerly of the Air 21 Express, now suited up for the Talk and Text phone pals. Nasa free throw line. Mintis pa rin. So, problema ang free throws.
Oo, not only for Talk and Text, but kanina, pati Red Bull, we've seen them miss a couple of free throws as you see on your screens. Ito naman si Jimmy Alapag, nagpapahinga rin. Trying to rehydrate himself.
Second free throw, papasok. Para dito kay John Ferriols. So, isang kalamangan ng Talk and Text, 21-20. Paolo Bugia. Over to Junti, nahanap si Enrico. Villanueva, double team outside to Valenzuela. Back to Enrico, fall away. Inabot to Pochwinyo. Solid yun. Oh!
Yeah, bad pass there by Pochwinyo. Ito.
Several errors. Bugia, pass fake, lay up. Bagsak si Willie Miller. And Paolo Bugia will score for Red Bull.
Oh, nag-sidestep lang and just enough to avoid. Itong si Willie Miller was trying to fish that offensive foul.
Lead swings back to Red Bull, 22-21. 52 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Willie Miller. Nakagawa na naman yung pasa. Here's Junti Valenzuela. Red Bull off and running. Pinigay kay Larry Fonashier from the right side. Pasok para kay Larry off the glass.
Yun nga. So here in the last few seconds of the first period, itong Red Bull making a run.
3-point lead for Red Bull. Ito ngayon ang Talk and Text. Mac Cardona against Warren Ibanez. Cardona spins, fakes, takes the shot. May namataan, 3-second violation against Talk and Text.
That's right. Doon sa pagka-fake ni Mac Cardona, pati si John Ferriols na-fakean. Kaya kala niya, pinitira doon si Mac, natawagan siya ng 3-second violation. So mga pangatlong straight turnover na yan for Talk and Text phone pals.
Medyo nagkakaproblema sila dito sa latter part ng ating first quarter. Ibanez over to Bugia. Bigay kay Larry Fonashier from the outside. Fonashier is slowly but surely warming up dito sa ating ball game.
From the same angle, no, nilayuan lang niya ng konti pero swak pa rin para kay Larry Fonashier.
John Ferriols against 3 Red Bull players. He will miss. And a bad start, rather bad end for the first quarter. Ito si Junti Valenzuela. Alahoy natira. Alright mga kaibigan, nagbabalik tayo for second quarter. Itong labanan ng Red Bull Barako at Talk and Text phone pal still inside the Lamberto Macias Sports Center. Dito po sa Dumaguete City. Mark Zambrano po ang inyong lingkod kasama si Richard Del Rosario. And right now it's a 5-point lead for Red Bull.
Well, big run there by Red Bull towards the end of the first quarter. Kaya sila nagkaroon ng labang na ganito. Kaya ito, nagpapatuloy pa rin sila as Rico Villanueva knocks down that short jumper.
Extending the Red Bull lead to 7 points. Talk and Text scrambling to get back in form. Ferriols, pinigay kay Mac Cardona. Cardona, pumorma ng 3, sumaksak. Mac Cardona will be blocked. Asi Taulava gets the loose ball and puts it in for Talk and Text.
Ayan na nga, ito si Asi Taulava going to work. Makikita natin yan ng first quarter field goals. Napakataas for Red Bull. And Talk and Text struggling from the field. Only 32%.
Ang layo ng figures, 52 for Red Bull, 32 for Talk and Text. Samantala si Mac Cardona, natatawagan ng kanyang unang personal foul. Side court throw-in, mapupunta sa kamay ni Bugia. Here's Junti Valenzuela, fall away sa bandang free throw line. Bounce and papasok yan for Junti.
Yun na nga, walang challenge doon on the part of the defense of Talk and Text.
Ito na naman ang full fouls, trying to get some order in their offense. Cardona from the free throw line, still nothing for Talk and Text. Junti Valenzuela, binigay muna kay Warren Ibanez. Over to Paulo Bugia, top of the key. Hinahanap si Larry Fonacier, foul ang naispatan. And it looks like it will be the second personal nitong si Mac Cardona.
Ito na nga yung matchup na inintay natin. No? It's Mac Cardona going up against Larry Fonacier.
All the way from college days. Hika nila, Richard.
Oo.
Ito si Enrico Villanueva, powering his way, blocked by Asi Taulava. Villanueva once again, upper body strength, wala pa rin, pero may foul. Na naispatan against sa Talk and Text phone fouls. Guilty party, itong si Big John Ferriols. First personal lang ni John Ferriols.
Well, you could see that Rico Villanueva really wanted that basket. Kaya after he was fouled the first time, talagang he went strong to the basket and fished the foul mula dito kay John Ferriols.
Rico Villanueva, so far 2 points and 3 rebounds.
At siyempre, he wants to bounce back strong after getting a piece of the mind of Coach Yang Yao in their last game. So parang wake-up call yan for Rico Villanueva, and so far is showing a lot of intensity in this ball game.
Enrico was only able to play 11 minutes nung kanilang last ball game, and I'm sure he'll make every minute count dito sa ating ball game today. Still a 7-point advantage for Red Bull. Leo Avenido from the outside. And this could be the start of something good para sa opensa ng Talk and Text.
Well, good pass there by Asi Taulava. Na-recognize niya na yung double that time nanggaling kay Junti Valenzuela from the passer. So all he had to do was give it back to Leo Avenido.
Junti Valenzuela left open. Wala yan. Leo Avenido over to Willie Miller. Susubok na naman sa labas. At namahagi sa ilalim ito si Asi Taulava.
Oo, at foul will be called, I think, against Paulo Bugia. That's right. Kay Paulo Bugia tatawagan na foul. Trying to box out itong si Asi Taulava. Naharap naman natin mas madaling sabihin kaysa sa gawin.
Bugia versus Taulava. That's gotta be a matchup.
Oo.
Ito si Ferriols.
Alam mo, dati ginagawa ko dyan, pinapakiusapan ko na lang eh.
Talaga, Nilaglag mo na naman yung sarili mo, Richard.
Don't get the rebound, please.
Please. Okay lang ba yun?
Ayaw makinig eh.
So, 30-26. Yan po ang ating score on your screens. 9 minutes and 43 remaining. As agawan doon sa may bandang corner between Warren Ibanez and Mac Cardona.
Yeah, good pressure defense by Warren Ibanez. Ito, nakakuha sila ng turnover.
So Red Bull still in control by 4 points lang dito sa ating first half. Paulo Bugia outside to Larry Fonacier. He's looking for Enrico. Hindi mapasaan. Fonacier binigay kay Junti. Ito si Bugia. Bugia making space, block from behind. Solid ang butata ni Asi Taulava. Ito si Leo Avenido. Speaking baseline, banggaan, bagsakan. Namamahagis itong dalawang players natin. Si Leo Avenido at si Warren Ibanez.
Nice block. Grabe yung block coming from Warren Ibanez.
Talk and Text, susubukan putulin itong 4-point lead ng Red Bull. John Ferriols inside, intended for Avenido.
A bit late yung pasa na yun eh. Maganda na yung cut ni Leo Avenido. Good extra pass.
Oh boy!
Talk and Text.
Some word said from Asi Taulava, intended for Enrico Villanueva.
Tama, alam mo naman natin, si Rico pag siya'y nakakadunk, talagang pinapakita niya yung t-shirt niya, tapos staring down his defender. Yun naman ginawa ni Asi Taulava ngayon. It's his time.
Ito yung Talk and Text. Avenido, pumorma ng 3. Avenido will miss this time around. Outlet pass para kay Warren.
Another block.
Pero nandun ang trailer na si Willie Miller. So good trailing job galing kay Thriller Miller.
No, by Larry Fonacier ang nag-trail doon.
Oo. Ito, ayun na, forma na naman itong Talk and Text phone fouls. John Ferriols.
So talaga nagpipick up na yung action dito, no? On the defensive end, ang dami ng mga supalpalan, may dakdakan pa.
Bugia. Ito si Enrico Villanueva. Babawi kaya siya. Nataktakan siya kanina ni
Alam mo,
Asi.
naaalala niyo yun. I'm sure. Later on, tatiming yan at gustong makabawi niyan.
So Fonacier still having some problems from the outside. Ito, pass para kay Leo Avenido. Hintay muna ang kanyang mga kakampi. John Ferriols from short range. And just like that, tapla na tayo, Richard, at 32-all.
And you have to defend against a secondary break, no? Na stop nyo na yung primary fast break, pero the trailer guy, kailangan ma-locate nyo kagad. At yun ang nangyari. Hindi na-locate ng Red Bull, kaya naka-jump shot si John Ferriols.
Jonte Valenzuela, binigay kay Enrico. Villanueva, nag-isip kung anong gagawin at traveling violation ang tatawag against Enrico Villanueva.
Makita mo naman si Asito Olava nakaharang sa gitna. Talaga naman mag-iisip ka nun, eh.
Siguro sabi Enrico, dadaktakan ko ba?
Tsaka wala, nawala yung timing niya, eh. Nag-second thought siya, eh. Kaya yun, napa-traveling siya. Pero I'm sure gusto niya makabawi. Kaya nga lang at that time, he was not in the best position.
Oo, medyo malayo pa para makadakdak from that spot on the floor. Jimmy Alapag ngayon, tinatapatan ni Warren Ibanez. Bigay kay Willie Miller. Asi Taulava, pumuposisyon. Taulava gets the pass inside to Leo Avenido. Look at the communication, Richard, between Talk and Text. Flawless so far.
Tsaka between the two blondes, no? Itong si Taulava at si Leo Avenido. Nakita niya kasi, uy, medyo kakulay ko buhok nito, madaling makita.
Sino ba nagsasabing blondes are dumb? Hindi yata totoo dito. Nakikita natin dito.
Oo. Mukhang kailangan yung mga ibang players sa Talk and Text, baka magpa-blondie na rin.
Tayo kaya?
Ay, hindi.
Mukhang sa'yo bagay, sa akin hindi. Matala ito. Talk and Text 34, Red Bull 32. Larry Fonacier gets a pass over to Enrico Villanueva. Nilabas kay Warren Ibanez, inabot na naman ni Miller. Miller na libre, mataas yung pasa, hindi masasalo ni Willie Miller. So that's a turnover against the Talk and Text phone pals.
No, meron bang may foul na tinawag kay Willie Miller. Offensive foul. So pangalawa na yan ni Willie Miller.
Warren Ibanez ang gagawa ng play dito para sa Red Bull. Villanueva, sumaksa sa gitna. Binangga si Mick Pinisi. Problema doon, nagkabanggaan yung dalawang player. Pero teka.
Pero may tinawag na foul kay Asi Taulava.
Yan, nirereklamo ngayon ni Asi dahil binangga yata doon ni Enrico was Mick Pinisi.
Foul tong si Asi before that bump.
Villanueva, off the glass is good against Asi Taulava. 34-all ang ating talaan. Still a tight ball game dito sa Dumaguete City. Taulava, hingi yung paso sa loob. Has to kick it outside to Miller. Willie from the outside. Wala. Warren Ibanez. Burst of speed. Binigay kay Lordy Tugade. Stretches and gets the layup for Red Bull.
Good pass there by Ibanez on the trailing Lordy Tugade.
2-point lead para sa Red Bull. Bola ngayon nasa kamay ni Jimmy Alapag. Inside to Asi. Finds Willie Miller. Ito si Leo Avenido. Libre na naman sa lapas. And Leo Avenido continues to pour things in for the Talk and Text phone pals galing sa 3-point region. Puro TM3. Ang daming binabato.
Pangalawang TM3 na yan ni Leo Avenido. At saka good ball rotation that time from Talk and Text to find the open Leo Avenido.
Enrico Villanueva. Derecho basket will count for Enrico Villanueva.
Now trying to use his quickness, no, against Asi Taulava.
So Asi called for his Enrico after that dunk.
Oh, dahil sumabay doon si Enrico, no? At yan, 6 points, 2 rebounds, and 2 blocks for the Rock.
Oo.
Asi Taulava.
Bonus free throw para dito kay Enrico Villanueva. Nakuha niya yung second personal foul nitong si Asi Taulava on that strong drive. Kanina lang. Bonus free throw for Enrico Villanueva. Naku, medyo kumaliwa.
Oh, kanina pa ganyan yung tira ni Rico from the free throw line, so he has to make some adjustments.
Leo Avenido. Binigay muna kay Asi Taulava. Red Bull still on top at this point. Taulava spins, nilabas kay Avenido. Leo faking the three, binigay kay Taulava. The right-handed shot, wala. Napunta ulit sa kamay ni Leo Avenido. Fresh shot clock for Talk and Text. Jimmy Alapag slices through the middle using the left hand pero mintis yung kanyang layup.
Medyo nadulas yun yung bola kaya hindi na-finish si Jimmy Alapag. Here comes Red Bull once again in transition. Pero this time, nandito na. Nakababa ng gusto itong depensa ng Talk and Text.
Topex Robinson over to Leo Nahorda who was checked in for Red Bull. Eto, matatapikan ni Harvey Carey. Carey is streaking down court, completing the layup para sa Talk and Text phone pals. Nasa kanila ang 1-point lead, 39-38.
Oh, good anticipation there by Harvey Carey. Continuing to play well here in the first half.
Topex Robinson over to Lordy Tugade. Mick Penisi, lob pass for Enrico Villanueva. Binalik kay Mick Penisi. Pumorma ng 3 si Mick Penisi, tickling the twine once again for Red Bull. Another TM 3 para dito kay Mick Penisi.
He cannot give that open look kay Mick Penisi. Talagang yan ang hinahanap niya every time during the course of the ball game.
Paulava susubok ng 3. That's a rarity, Richard. Kung pumasok yun.
At tapos hindi pa bumaba sa depensa kaya ito si Mick Penisi nauna na. At wala na magawa dito si Leo Venido but to foul. And Harvey Carey talking to Asi Taulava.
Well, that was a mismatch. Wala na talaga magagawa si Leo Venido.
Oh, kasi that was a bad decision coming from Asi. Yung, pati siguro yung mga teammates yan nagulat.
Oh. So, Mick Penisi for a pair of free throws para sa Red Bull. 2-point lead ang Red Bull at this stage. 3 minutes and 54 remaining sa ating second quarter.
Oo nga, ito si Mick Penisi with 6 points so far. 2 TM3 ang kanyang na-shoot kanina. And 2 misses coming from Mick Penisi.
Struggling from the free throw line itong Red Bull.
Ang tinawag pala kanina is flagrant foul, penalty 1 against Leo Venido. Kaya after that 2 foul shots, balik sa Red Bull ang bola.
Pero ito, Mick Penisi pumorma ng 3, magmimintis sa agawan ng rebound. May maispatan na naman na foul. And it looks like the guilty party is Harvey Carey. So pangatlo ni Harvey Carey in the ball game.
So things are starting to get more physical, no? In this ball game. Pero, I mean, Red Bull has been getting trips to the line. Pero so far, hindi nila natitake advantage, no? Kanina, 2 minutes kay Enrico, tapos 2 minutes kay Mick Penisi. Tingnan natin kung makapag-adjust na si Enrico. Pakaliwa pa rin, no? Parang kulang sa alignment.
So, kailangan konting adjustment. Kanan lang siguro. Konting-konting kanan lang.
At matututunan ng 0 out of 4 ito si Enrico Villanueva.
Second free throw for Enrico, ganun pa rin.
Oo, nag-overcompensate naman doon si Rico Villanueva, kaya naman sumobra ang kanyang tira.
Alam mo, sayang din eh. Malaki na sana yung kalamangan nila kung naipapasok nila yung free throw.
Oh, I'm sure that's a statistic na titignan nila at the halftime break.
Willie Miller, nasa kaliwa. Pinalik kay Jimmy Alapag. Over to John Ferriol. Fall away, inabot ni Enrico Villanueva.
Good hustle by Asi Taulava.
Pero hindi inabot. At
Yes, oo.
shot clock violation against a Talk and Text phone pals. Naubusan ng oras.
So nakikita natin, no? Seesaw battle ang nangyayari dito. Nagkakaroon ng run ng Red Bull. Biglang babalik ang Talk and Text. Ngayon, Red Bull na naman. Kaya sila nakakalawang ng 2 points.
Rich Alvarez over to Topex. Robinson nilabas kay Mick Penisi. Titira na naman from the outside si Mick Penisi. Ramdam na ramdam niya. Nagtuturo na naman dito si Mick Penisi.
That's right, you know, at the same open look ang nakita doon ni Mick Penisi. Ito sabi niya, just give me that shot all day, I'll knock it down.
Oo, TM3 na naman yun mga kaibigan from Mick Penisi. Samantala, Asi Taulava. Power in the inside. Scoring once again for Talk and Text.
Oh, every time na sushutan siya dito si Mick Penisi, ito si Asi Taulava, gusto talaga makabawi kagad.
Rich Alvarez, masasalo sana yung pasa pero masyado nang masikip. Ito mga kaibigan, one of the highlights dito sa ating ball game, yung malalaking mga mama. Asi versus Enrico. And of course, they will be seeing action sa ating All-Star game coming up this April 27. Naku, sago pa ang gusto yan, Richard.
Oo, dyan yan mangyayari sa Cagayan de Oro City. At balita ko, pati ang ABC Sports will be bringing an all-star cast.
Yes.
Napunta ka ba doon?
Oo, hindi ko alam. Samantala, inside pass for Asi Taulava, kinuyog ng gusto. Itong si Willie and si Mick Penisi.
At natuwag-tuwa yung mga fans ng Talk and Text. Let's see if we can complete this one. Oh, kumalog.
So free throws have been really bad para sa dalawang kupunan natin. Nahorda, tumira from the perimeter. Makukuha ba niya yung bounce? Hindi. Agawan sa rebound. Sa kami ni John Ferriols. Jimmy Alapag. Over to Willie Miller. Binigay kay Vic Pablo. Pablo will miss on the three-pointer. Red Bull over to Lordy Tugade. Still nothing. Pero makakuha ni Leon Nahorda ang rebound. Vic Penisi. Swing it over.
Nowhere to go. Ito si Rich Alvarez.
Parang inagawan ng candy. Ito si Rich Alvarez. Libre si Jimmy Alapag. Another TM press. Sakit sa inyo ng bagong TM. Power to the people. And it's raining threes, Richard, para sa Talk and Text.
Ano nga para mas madaling sumut ng 3 points kaysa sa foul shot. Dito sa dalawang teams na to, no? Ayun, Mick Penisi, kanina Leo Avenido, ngayon si Jimmy Alapag.
2-point lead para sa Talk and Text, 46-44. Leo Nahorda, air ball. Jimmy Alapag. Bounce pass, tumama sa paa ni Leo Nahorda. Ito ngayon ang Red Bull. Behind the back para kay Rich Alvarez. Ako! Bothered by that bump. Jimmy Alapag na libre for 3. Mintis. Si Willie Miller. Hawak na ang braso. Itong si Leo Nahorda. And Willie Miller will be called for his third personal foul at penalty na rin. Itong Talk and Text phone pals.
Yun na nga kasi si Leo Nahorda was in a better rebounding position. No? He got the inside position against Willie Miller. So Willie Miller medyo nahulihan. Locking arms with Leo Nahorda.
Kung di nyo po napanood mga kaibigan, yung umpisa ng ating coverage, binanggit namin na itong Talk and Text phone pals, Thursday pa lang nagpa-practice dito sa Dumaguete. And of course, gusto nilang baguhin yung kanilang kartada dito sa ating komperensya dahil medyo hindi nila nagugustuhan yung mga nangyayari sa kanila in the overall standings dito sa ating Philippine Cup.
Actually, itong dalawang teams ito, if you would look at their lineups, are considered by all the other teams as one of the favorites to end up winning the championship, this conference. Pero so far nga, they're struggling right now. They want to find a solution to their problems and they want to start it here in Dumaguete.
So Rich Alvarez, sinusubukang utakan itong si Leo Avenido and Vic Pablo do sa baseline pero stepping itong si Rich Alvarez.
Look at those 3-point field goals. Oh. Same number of attempts. Mas may isa lang, lamang lang ng isa ang Talk and Text.
Asi Taulava na double team, nilabas kay Avenido over to Vic Pablo. Nasa kanang bahagi ang Vic Pablo will score once again for the Talk and Text phone pals.
Ayan naman talaga forte ni Vic Pablo. Yung mga medium range jumpers really cannot leave him open.
3-point lead for Talk and Text, 48-45. Rich Alvarez, good spin. Blocked from behind na naman ni Asi, pero nandun, swertihan. Leo Nahorda able to get that basket for Red Bull.
Yun nga, maganda nga yung ginawa doon ni Leo Nahorda, not giving up on that play. Good help defense by Asi Taulava to get that block against Rich Alvarez, pero nobody boxing out. Itong si Leo Nahorda.
32nd timeout ang hiningi dito ng Talk and Text phone pals. So ito, balik tayo sa aksyon. Malapit na matapos itong ating second quarter. 25 seconds remaining in fact. And it's a 1-point lead for Talk and Text. Very tight first half ang ating nasaksihan dito sa Lamberto Macias Sports Center. Vic Pablo over to Jimmy Alapag.
Pero bigla nag-zone defense dito ang Red Bull. Kaya medyo nasira yung plano ng Talk and Text. They were designing a play for a man-to-man defense.
Ito si Coach Derek Pumaren was saying to the referees na shot attempt daw yun nung pagka-foul ni Topex Robinson. Pero according to the referee, side court throw-in lang. 7 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Jimmy Alapag sumaksak, pasa kay Asi Taulava. Munti ka ng slam dunk. Pero sinigurado, dalawang player na yung sumabay doon, Richard, ha?
Oo, talagang he wanted to throw it down. Kaya nga lang medyo nabitawan niya nung na-foul siya. Pero ang gandang piece of action sa yun, no? Ang great pass coming from Jimmy Alapag. And Asi will back down from nobody. Kahit dalawa pa kayo sumabay.
Siguro, laking pasalamat ng mga nagbantay kay Asi no na hindi pumasok yung dunk.
Oo, kasi masasama ka na naman sa mga
Poster.
poster eh. Ayan. Nako, pero ito na. Ito, as he continuing with his struggle from the free throw line. 0 of 2. Ito si Asi Taulava.
10 points and 3 rebounds. 3 solid blocks para kay Asi Taulava. And he gets his 11th point nung pumasok ang pangalawang free throw. Ito, Jimmy Alapag. Munti ka nang mapunta sa amin yung bola. Last touch on talk and text. 1.3 seconds na lang bago magtapos ang ating second quarter.
Still enough time to launch a decent attempt. At ayun na nga.
Oy, sayang yung knockout play para sa Red.